Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, the cable. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY and we saw a big drop, massive drop on the chart of DXY yesterday after the NFP. And ultimately, DXY settled at or closed at 103.91. And before NFP, DXY was trading around 105.60, 105.55 level. There was a heavy drop on the chart of DXY. Though the NFP numbers were good, but we saw a drop. And this is the main reason I request everyone not to trade, especially during the news, especially beginners, new traders, because news trading is really difficult. News trading is one of the hardest form of trading. To master news trading, you need years and years of practice. To be honest, I also do not consider myself as an expert. I also consider myself as a beginner when it comes to news trading, because you need to observe many things. And when the news comes out within a short span of time, okay, you need to observe the market. You need to see what is the body language of the market, whether the news, whether the market has factored in the news or not, whether it has not factored in. So there are lots and lots of stuff. Okay, it's kind of complicated. Anyways, as you can see, dollar tumbles after US jobs report, service sector contraction. The dollar fell on Friday after US job data showed a strong but not blockbuster employment picture in December, while a separate report showed that US services industry activity contracted for the first time in more than 2.5 years that month. So, my dear friends, the DXY is back to the range again. So the next support for DXY is 103.50. I would like to repeat again that DXY's this support is the last hope, because if DXY breaks this support, then there is no immediate support and there may be a further fall on the chart of DXY. And right now the resistance will be, or the seller's zone will be, around 105.80. So this is the range of DXY right now, and the market opening will be very, very important. Okay, and in our previous video we talked about a support zone or minor support zone around 103.880. So after the market opening, okay, there is a slight possibility that market may try to take support here also. Let's wait and watch, but overall things are not very positive for DXY right now. And it's the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD. Okay, we were talking about the support zone around 1.900, oh, sorry, 1.1900 to 1.1860, and market bounced from that support level only. And the support zone on the chart of GBP USD is still valid, but this time you can see that I have also added a trend line here. So my dear friend, if possible, try to add this trend line. So if market comes down also, and if market breaks 1.1860 also, observe the market around trend line. I have a good feeling that market will try to take support around the trend line, because we can see that market has already taken support 3 times. So 4 times is also very much possible, isn't it? So if market breaks also this zone of support, we can expect the trend line to be the next support for the market. And GBP USD closed at 1.2086. As you can clearly see on the chart that we had couple of minor resistances, or we have seen couple of price rejections previously around this area, and GBP USD just closed at that. And we also have a 200 moving average around the same level only. If I take you to the higher time frame, let's say a daily time frame, you can see GBP USD forming a bullish engulfing pattern. So there's a possibility that GBP USD may try to show some upside, and DXY may go some show some downside on the chart by next week. So by next week, if market comes down, you can try to take support. Also, you can expect some support around this area. If this level fails, do not take a sell position immediately. You can expect the market to take support around the trend line here. But right now, the actual trading opportunity will be around 1.2100 to 1.2130, because this is the seller zone. This is the seller zone on the chart of GBP USD. So if market breaks 1.2130 level, observe the market. If market breaks 1.2130 level, observe the market and see how the market is doing. If you do look at a daily time frame, then there is a possibility that market may go up. Market may recover further. So if market breaks this level, observe the market, wait for 3 hours, 4 hours, and just see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see that market is trading comfortably above 1.2130 level, you can go for a buy position. Or if you want to take a buy position immediately, then do not enter fully. Okay, if you usually take a lot size of 1.0, then reduce it by 75%. Or what you can do is, okay, you can enter step by step. Okay, at first you can enter 25%. Okay, or you can enter 0.25. Okay, at the breakout. If you see the market is trading comfortably, then you can again add 0.25 lot size again. Okay, and like that you can keep on adding, more positions if you really want to take a buy position right at the breakout. Otherwise, if you do not want to enter step by step, what you can do is at the breakout, observe the market. If you see market is trading comfortably above 1.2130 level, you can enter. Okay, you can enter. Another strategy can be, you can wait for the market to move up so that you can enter at retracement. So if after a breakout market comes down for retracement, you can go for a buy position here. So this is another strategy or another trading opportunity for us if market breaks the level here. And on the other hand, if market reverses from here, then also I'll say you can take a sell position, but do not take a big risk, because DXY structure is not very positive. If DXY suddenly forms a big red candle, then GBP USD will react. Okay, in that case, you may be trapped in your sell position. So as a result, if you want to take a sell position, let's say on Monday, you see GBP DXY recovering. And if you want to take a sell position on GBP USD, be careful. If you take a lot size of, let's say, 0.1, then on Monday, try to take a lot size of 0.05. Try to reduce the risk. Okay, see, you need to understand that not all trades are equal. Not all trading opportunities deserve the same amount of attention. When you're confident, we can go for a good lot size. But when you see that the trading opportunity is not very strong, okay, when the trading opportunity is not very confident, okay, in that case, okay, you can enter onto a trade, but you can reduce the lot size. Okay, so in this case, okay, if you want to take a sell position after seeing some selling reversal from here around this same level here, you can enter, you can go for a sell position, but reduce the lot size and be careful and follow proper risk management. Okay, do not trade without stop loss. Trading without stop loss is like suicide. This is it. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper trade risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. No trader is 100% accurate. Bye bye, take care.